Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, we shall learn that the soft body physics in Blender and how the soft body collide with other object. So let's start our video. First, I delete everything. Press Shift A to add a plane. Scale it. Press Shift A to add a cube. Scale it down. Nice. Press G and Z to move this cube along Z axis and press R to rotate. Nice. Select this plane, enter into the physics properties. From here I select collision. Select cube and select soft body physics. And if we run the simulation, the cube is just like hanging and cannot move down to the plane. So disable this option, expand edges, and from here I select stiffness. Now the object move down and collide with the surface. Beautiful. And if I add some more geometry to this cube, then look the behavior of this cube. Enter the tab, subdivide to time, enter into the object mode, and now check the behavior of the soft body. Beautiful. If we change the value of bending up to 2, then it's bent and also retain its shape. Nice. But naturally, when the cube collide with the surface, having a soft body properties, there is some bending the surfaces which collide with the plane. So I select plasticity up to 100, which mean that permanent deform. When the cube collide with this plane, it deform permanently. So let's start. Beautiful. Press Shift D, add another cube of same physics property and press Shift D to add another cube. Now check the behavior. These cubes are intersect with each other, which is not look like realistic. So to remove this drawbacks, I add collision property to the each cube. Nice. Now run the simulation and check the result. Beautiful. Now it's look like real. And when the cube collide with this plane and also collide with itself, these cubes are permanently deformed where they collide with each other. So in this way you can create a soft body collision with other surfaces and also with each other. Thank you for watching.